Good morning, traders, and welcome to another live trading webinar. My name is Theo, for those who don't know me yet, and it's first time join us. Myself and Admirals, we would really like to welcome you to these live trading sessions we do Monday to Friday. How was your weekend? Did you get some good rest, ready to kick off the new trading week? So let's start. As usual, with our risk-free warning. Traders, this content is for general information only, and it's not intended to provide trading or investment advice or any personal recommendation. Usually, we go through the premium analytic portal and the major news event for the week. Let's start with today's top headlines. There are quite a lot today, like on Mondays we are used to. So Biden budget to draw battle lines with GOP on taxes, spending ahead of 2024 campaign. China sets conservative growth target as colleagues loom. EVs boost chip demand despite semiconductor market woes. What will be harder for the Fed, timing inflation or its office renovation expenses? Why some investors are still waiting for discounts on corporate bonds? Cuts at Amazon, other tech companies don't spell recession yet. US prepares new rules on investment in China. Wow. Balenciaga displays restraining first fashion show since child backlash. Iran promises to increase cooperation with IAEA over nuclear work. The world economy is doing well. This is bad news for central bankers. Interesting article. Amazon HQ2 delay isn't a concern, Northern Virginia officials say. Apple approves ChatGPT powered up after assurance of content moderation. Okay, so Apple users can download the application directly on their devices. What about the news for the week, traders? We have Monday today, starting with Canada. PMI previous was 60. Usually benchmark is around 50. Tomorrow we will have the trade balance, quite volatile day for the Australian dollar. Trade balance in Australia and also in China. Some bullishness expectancies for the Chinese yuan due to the news. Reserve Bank of Australia interest rate decision from 3.35% to 3.6%, so another 25 basis points. On Wednesday, we will experience volatility in Canadian dollar around the New York session, balance of trade, Bank of Japan interest rate decision. We don't have the forecast yet. I believe soon we will have it. Anyway, today I will record the podcast for the week and I will go through these events and make the analysis. So keep an eye on that and we will be able to explain further details. Now let's bring the charts. So, any trades you guys took on Friday, or any trades you hold during the week, during the weekend, sorry? You can let me know. A lot of junk food. HB, that was good. So, dollar index. Good morning, Theo. Good morning, everyone. Dollar index, just playing around through this 200-day moving average. Nobody knows if the sellers are going to come. Twice the sellers, they tried to get control. Buyers, they stepped in. I don't know now if it's going to push. We already make a new low, lower low here. So maybe that will be the beginning. Who knows? We will find it out soon. Let's check the currencies. Anything on your watch list, guys? Something you are interested to trade? David, I'm not surprised that you are taking profits all the time from the market, and I'm extremely happy about that. So, ladies and gentlemen, pound bounce from the support, bullish engulfing after this downtrend on support. That's a high probability trade. Intraday traders, we can look for some further bullishness on the lower time frames, some higher highs, higher lows, nice price action setups after retracement. Excuse me. We can use them to capitalize on the move to the upside. The euro against the dollar. It's performing really well, the euro, this morning. We have this area of support. The price bounced from this area, pushes to the upside. It's trying to come and take this high point here. So there is fairly room to experience some bullishness on the euro. So we have this intraday room to gain some momentum. The 5-minute chart, it's already made a higher high. Some retracement, maybe a strong price action around this area will be good to use it for buys. USD CHF, this resistance hold quite well. The USD is on a free fall now against the CHF, maybe due to CHF strength as well. We're going to have a look at the Euro CHF and Pound CHF, and we're going to get the better understanding. What's this one? Australian dollar against the US dollar, bullish engulfing from this support. Although this support, guys, it's a consolidation, very sideways move. It's not any clear support like the price came down, found buying pressure, and bounced to the upside. It didn't behave that way. It's just played around for 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 candles, just one trading week. And usually if there is a strong demand in one area, the market will not stay and play around drifting sideways. But as it's good to start off, and especially for the traders, you are here for a long time, or even if you are trading for quite a fair amount of time, you guys, it's good to understand in Forex market, when it's about to release events that they highly impact, high correlated event with the currency, like the trade balance and the interest rate for all the currencies, and the non-farm payrolls for the US dollar, all right? But especially the interest rate event, at many occasions, you will see the currency just moving sideways, waiting for the interest rate to take and kick off from there. All right, so there is a reason the market is still playing around here. Maybe the same reason the market just hovering around this area of support for a while before it pushes to the upside. So we will be waiting to see what happened with this one. The QE, just nothing here, below resistance, dynamic resistance of them from the moving average, and above static support. Market is not clear. This also Canada is gonna release interest rates decision, trade balance. So the market, it's just indecisive yet. Maybe we can see a nice breakout to the upside, and then we're going to look to target this area here, fairly room to move, or we can see a break below this, and the market at the least will come to retest this area here. All right, if you want, we can take some good positions and wait for the events. USD/JPY, we are in the zone, as I mentioned last week, we are in this seller zone. I did expect the market to come a little bit higher, to be honest, but anyhow, we have very, very strong order blocks here, that massive orders, they've been kicked off to the downside and adding positions, and that make the market very interested when it came at this area. If it's going to push lower or if it's going to surpass to the upside, we don't know. We just need markets with clarity. And definitely the Australian dollar against the Japanese yen is not one of them. So this one here, I had a selling order last week. It was a good trade. Now I marked this area of support. As you can see on the 4-hour chart, it should be a little bit higher, but MT5, it doesn't make us the favor. I don't know if that it touches, maybe it triggered that that trade. I didn't got filled because my entry was lower. Now I see that. Okay, anyway, that's trading. Pound tapped in from this area of resistance. We are still below. CHF quite strong. So maybe we have strength in the Swiss franc. Nothing here. Gold is trying to push higher, and the next, at least intraday area of resistance, it's this one here, or short-term area. Just mark it in your charts, traders. If you draw Fib to, if you use the Fib retracement, we are most likely we're going to see a retracement at least to 50%. So even today is really good for intraday trading. Gold. Oh, come on. Okay. So gold is good. Keep an eye on the gold, please. Crude oil, bullish engulfing. I don't trust this pattern. There is nothing to understand. We gapped down. Sorry, we didn't gap down. I thought we gapped down on the and gas? No, but anyhow, we have our area of interest down here. Silver, bullish, but not as strong as the gold based on this chart. Let's check the Bitcoin. An aggressive sell-off the other day, last week, and it's been 2 days. That's the third one. We will see if the market is going to sell off to come and retest this area I marked ages ago. I have a pending order here to sell the euro against the Australian dollar due to this technical chart pattern. Euro pound, nothing here. Euro Canadian dollar, again, let's get rid of this. When the market experiences the outcome of the Canadian dollar interest rates, maybe we will have some more clarity. Euro CHF, you see, guys, Euro was strong against the US dollar, but and CHF was strong against the US dollar, but Euro against the CHF, it's very weak. We can see it from the current price action. So that's how you understand that the currency correlation, which one is strong, which one is weak. And I believe this example, and today, and especially for many traders, I see that they were trying to get it right. I think today's example is very clear. Raquel, if I remember, you trying to understand a bit more. So I hope this example helps a lot, and everyone. Is that an inside shorted pound, Australian dollar, pound Aus, shorted pound Aus on the 5-minute chart? What time did you short it, David, with a good profit? That's fantastic. Is it due to a price action signal or consolidation breakout? What time did you short it? Were you awake at 4 a.m.? Is that an inside bar on the 1-hour time frame? Which currency pair? Guys, whenever you are, because when I do the live, I have different monitors, and in front of me it's always the charts. When you ask about the question, please clarify the time frame and the currency pair, because yes, the time you type it, it's relevant for that chart, but if I don't see it on spot, then I don't even know which currency pair you are referring to. Good. Swiss CPI news. Yep. Okay, because I didn't see it on the calendar based on the MT5 calendar. Tyler, Euro US dollar. That was back order blocks. We give you the time. Okay. Awesome. Ladies and gentlemen, let's move on to sorry, not the commodities, the indices. Let's have a look at the DAX. Nice bullish, nice trade we had on Friday on the DAX. Let's rearrange our support and resistance zones. So that's the highest resistance. We are about to retest it. This one here, it retested and rejected. The next one is, I'll say this one here. Let's check the 4-hour chart. That's the highest point. That's the highest point that's been retested. So market is really trying to break out based on the previous candlestick pattern. This one I don't like it here. Oh my God. Why MT5? It's such a difficult platform to pick up the lines. Okay, that's better. Now, where is our pivot? Okay. So, if we're going to break below until the S2, it's about 20. That's about 20 pips. Okay, we keep an eye on that. On the FTSE, I really like to take the breakout. I was trying to take the breakout from here and target this area and then to go short. I'll see what the market is gonna do today. Dow Jones, look, all the indices, they were bullish on Friday. Dow Jones, Nasdaq had some good bullishness. Five-minute chart, although they are very bullish, if we have to, based on our strategy, if we have to take a selling position, please be mindful to manage your risk accordingly. I wouldn't mind a nice sell here. This one, then it's this area, consolidation, went to the upside, so until S2, yep. So fairly 20 pips or 200 points. Like Darshan likes to hear, 200 points. Darshan, where are you? It's been a while to see you around. Hello, Cherry. Neven, good morning, Kyler. Angel, HB, any luck with the Nasdaq today? That's the one. Guys, if this order will get triggered to the downside, and before we reach the S2 zone on the 4-hour chart, if we're going to have retracement here, I will add into this area to go short from the main pivot line, and I will short it for continuation to the downside. All right, so I will take 2 orders maybe today here. But let's see, only if the price, if it's going to break to the downside, and if it's going to break to the downside and it's not going to reach the S2 in the next 5 minutes, then and only then I will look to sell again from higher price. Nasdaq just goes up and down. HV, I think all the indices, they just goes up and down. I'm short on 1 minute at the moment. Okay, cool. David, pound Aussie, 1535. Moving average trade, RSI overbought, short is for 35 pips. Congratulations. You mean on Friday, right? Not today. I thought you did it today. Like, right, David? That was on Friday trade. Yeah. Okay. Thank you. Thank you. So here are our orders in place. Let's check. David, Friday on 5-minute chart. Was it on 5 minutes? Yes, 5 minutes. So on Friday, yeah, we had the third. Guys, I understand that it's a bit hard to go through the MT5. You don't need to mention it all the time. Okay, so you shorted from here, yeah? Yes. All right. Cool. Nice trade. So were you at any order block area here, or was it something like this? Okay, cool. Back to the chart. Market London will open in a couple of minutes. What's your take on Euro Australian dollar? Let's check the Euro Aus really quick. Sorry, guys, I skipped the Euro Australian dollar. Look, now it's in an uptrend. Okay, higher highs, higher lows. We can buy it for intraday buyings. We can target this area here. That's our resistance. But for position trade, we can target this area here. But for me, I would like to sell at this area. So if I'm right and the price will come here and it's going to trigger my sell order, it means the market has to rally to the upside, right? So it's more bullish right now rather than bearish. Let's go to the DAX. Guys, Mondays are the most volatile days for DAX at the opening. Okay. Be mindful about that, because in 1 minute, in less than 1 minute, we're going to see the price just really move fast to one or the other direction. Like this one here. So what's the 1 hour doing? Higher highs. There is a good room for the price to push lower and come out to this S2 pivot area. Yeah. Just need to be patient. We are waiting to get triggered in this order or in this order here. In the meantime, if you find it valuable, ladies and gentlemen and traders, these sessions, please make sure you like and subscribe on the YouTube channel, like the video and subscribe on the channel. The team, myself, we put enormous amount of effort to deliver this content to you. So I will appreciate if you give us some thumbs up on the video, and also if you are new and you didn't subscribe yet on the YouTube channel, please make sure you do so. So no breakout yet on the London Open for the DAX. We had a breakout on the FTSE, although that was the hourly breakout, and that was a really good one. I'm more on this breakout here, to be honest. David, what if you don't like it? It's okay, just give a thumbs up. No, I'm joking, man. If you don't like it, make sure you let me know how you will like it better. So, Kyla, they still haven't. I think they posted the video of Steve Nilsson. I think they posted. Let me check on the YouTube. I think it's on here. One second, Kyla. Traders, this is the video we did with Steve Nilsson when I interviewed this exceptional trader and educator. I'll send you the direct link. I don't know why you didn't receive notifications. I received notification on my personal account that we posted the video, so please just double check if your notifications are turned on. So far, no breakout. Oh my God, FTSE is melting. What about Dow? Nothing. Nasdaq, what about Nasdaq? Nothing, still sideways. Jonah, yes, there is DAX 30 in some brokers, they have it, or in some website, they have it as DAX 30. Okay. Or you're going to find it other ways as just DAX, DAX. Traders, the pending orders are valid because I have to wrap up for now. So if we're going to get triggered in this one here, we will take our profits on 10 pips or at the S2. If we're going to get triggered in this one here, we're going to take our profits around this area of resistance. Okay. If you need anything, you can post on the Telegram, on the comments section where we have the live. And I will leave you for now. I wish you happy trading, and I look forward to see you again tomorrow at the same time. Thank you so much, and good luck with your trading.